How to create new SSH key on GitHub. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple. Go to GitHub. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner right here and click on your profile picture. After you click on it, now go down, click on settings. As you can see, after you click on settings, now all what you have to do is simple. Just go right here, go down until you find SSH and GPG keys. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now go to the first one, it's SSH keys. Click here on new SSH key, and now as you can see, you add the title and the key. Then click add the SSH key from here. It's so easy and fast, as you can see. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.